evening.
Babur and the foundation of Mughal Empire. Babur, whose full name was Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur, was the founder of the Mughal Empire in India. Born on February 14, 1483 in Fergana, modern-day Uzbekistan, he was the descendant of Timur on his father's side and Genghis Khan on his mother's side. This dual lineage gave him a strong claim to leadership in Central Asia, although his early life was marked by constant struggles to retain power. As a young prince, Babur inherited the throne of Fergana at the age of 12 but faced numerous challenges from rival factions and external threats. His ambition drove him to capture Samarkand, a prestigious city, but his hold on it was short-lived. Despite his setbacks, Babur's resilience and military powers allowed him to regroup and look beyond Central Asia for expansion. In 1526, Babur turned his attention to India, a land of immense wealth and political fragmentation. He defeated the Delhi Sultan Ibrahim Lodi in the First Battle of Panipat. Though his forces were outnumbered, Babur's innovative use of artillery and disciplined strategy secured a decisive victory. This marked the beginning of the Mughal Empire in India. Following his victory at Panipat, Babur consolidated his power by defeating Rajput forces under Rana Sanga at the Battle of Kanwa in 1527. This victory was critical in establishing Mughal dominance in northern India. Babur also captured strongholds such as Chanderi, further strengthening his empire. Babur was not just a conqueror but also a patron of art, literature and architecture. He wrote his memoir Baburnama, which provides vivid accounts of his life, battle and cultural and natural beauty of lands he ruled. He was deeply influenced by Persian culture and laid the foundation for the synthesis of Persian and Indian tradition that characterized the Mughal era. Babur died in 1530 in Agra, leaving behind a nascent empire that his descendants would expand into one of the greatest in history. His legacy lies not only in his conquest but also in the administrative and cultural groundwork he laid, which shaped the course of Indian history for centuries.
Please like, share and subscribe.
सब्सक्राइब करना हाँ भूलना मत।